Look at you all, jumping like little puppies. You're so adorable. Fry. Fry, 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 fry. You two are just adorable. I'm the cutest. I love it. Oh my goodness, you two. Ta-da! We're okay. Where did it go? Oh no, the ketchup's gone. Run for your lives. Shh. Here you go. Happy Friday. Yay! Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. Even tiny fries just want love. Follow for more Mimi stories.